So, stop. Okay, start over. Okay, no, wait, because you're gonna cut it out anyway, right?
No. Go ahead, continue.
Okay. So, when children are being treated at the hospitals,
Inside row faster.
when families are when children are being treated at the hospitals nearby, the Ronald McDonald. You cut like each word I do. Okay. You do it when you do it. Okay, get out of here. Wait, we're videoing.
I've already thought another one. Oh, do you have to do another one? Keep your one.
Restart.
Okay.
You should go.
When children are being treated at nearby hospitals, the families need a place to stay. And the Ronald McDonald House of Charities is sent to provide those of the families that need care and with a place to live and a homey atmosphere. Now, this Ronald McDonald House is located near UC Davis Medical Center. Wait, cut! I don't know what to say. Okay. So, the families with ill children, they need a home away from home while their children are being treated at nearby hospitals. This Ronald McDonald House is located conveniently near the UC Davis Medical Center. And many families travel great distances for their child's medical care, and they need a place to rest when they remain near their child. And the Ronald McDonald House is a non-for-profit organization whose mission is to help these families by providing them a place that they can rest and reflect and find mutual support. The Ronald McDonald House, the Ronald McDonald House is a 28-bedroom facility which provides a safe house for families of children undergoing treatment at area hospitals. Okay, stop! I can't.
A millionaire, I'm a young money millionaire, tougher than